What's up, my nephews and nieces? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reacting to Raining Sorrow. Oh, it's Raindrop by Raining Sorrow at the Wish USA bus. Let's get into it.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to let that happy light. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Yo, who hurt this child? She is a baby now. Why is she singing these deep songs? Hey, they affect me now. Eish. Come on.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
The way she's I hope this is just a performance and not the way she feels. If you look at her demeanor, look at her body language, man. It's like, I am,
My heart feels like an empty hole, a place where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be is lost inside reality, and I wish that I did what I was told. Sorry.
those are deep words for a young girl to be singing now. It's a beautiful song, but I hope this is not something that's affecting. I hope it's just a song.
Forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive
Empty
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Hey, this is a beautiful song by a very beautiful child. He left, touched something, you know. Sorry, the person who I was is lost in reality. That's a lot of pain there. If you enjoyed this video, you wanna hurt my feelings, or subscribe, comment, like the video. Let me know any other video you want me to react to. This was a beautiful song. See you.